to show you the purchase order. There are some changes, there are some features in purchase order recently we added, and the multiple purchase order, how you can convert as a single purchase. Okay, now you have a two kind of things before you generating the purchase order. The things that you can create a purchase order based on the MR, material requisition, or you can create a purchase order without MR. The MR, I know that you are aware of the MR. MR means which is you are getting the request from your stores. Or okay, so based on the MR, your people, I mean your procurement department, they can create a new purchase order. And the some cases the people are using the purchase order, or people are creating the purchase order without any MR, okay, any material requisition. So I just go to purchase order, which is under the transactions, inventory, and purchase order. Okay, so I just select the local PO. So then I click add, then choose the stores, for example, for 1 year. Then I choose the supplier, for example, Ahmad Al Falah. Okay, then I will select the item. You can select the item by code or item name or barcode. It's up to you. Okay, now I just select one item. Okay, you can see the order quantity. Now actually you see this one, order quantity and request quantity, purchase right, and MR number, and CLS and total CLS. These fields, maybe it's new for you guys, you cannot find maybe in your previous system or the last versions which you are using. Okay, so the MR number which you already received the requisition from your branch, okay, the number it will appear for the, that means you will come to know how many quantity your people already requested for these items. Okay, so there is one existing requisition is there, 120 quantity. Okay, then you will come to know, is there any closing stock on your particular branch? This is your branch. On your particular branch, do you have any closing stock? It means the CLS. CLS means the closing stock. Okay, the second CLS, like a total CLS, it is including all branches. It will be applicable only if you are using or if you are operating your system from the head office. Otherwise you can treat only the CLS, or you can use only the CLS where the stock reading on this specific branch or the store. Okay, the pending quantity means you already created PO, but still it is not received. I mean, still it is not converted as a purchase. So how many pending purchase order quantity that you already created for the particular item, it will come here. That means the people will not make any mistakes. I mean, they will not create any duplicated purchase order if you have these facilities. Okay, so easily you can read it. Okay, there are some pending quantity for the same items, so I don't want to create a duplicate purchase order. So I will go to live demo. So I'm going to enter, for example, 100 quantity. So the purchase rate, there are some default things for the purchase rate. I will explain it later. Okay, so I just enter, I go to another line to add some more items. Sorry, these items. Okay, 25 pieces. So if you did any purchase before, automatically the purchase rate will come. Okay, see, now I have already pending quantity for this, okay, which is not purchased yet. So I don't want again place the order for the same. So I can delete this item by pressing Alt delete. Okay, then I select another item. Sorry, I selected 203445. Oh, there is no item. 000255. Okay, so how many quantity? 10. Okay, there is no requisition, there is no pending as well. Okay, there is no closing stock as well. Okay, then I just click save. So the order quantity, see, now the system is saying order quantity should be under the requisition quantity or less than the, or the equal to requisition quantity. How it is enabled? You have one option, user maintenance, find. I'm using admin. I can see here. See, check requisition in PO. If you have, now this is a yellow color. Yellow color means that this privilege that already you have in for the particular user. So this is the reason the system is checking material requisition number in PO. Okay, you cannot create the cut short. You cannot create any PO without have any requisition. This is one way. This is the one side. The other side, if you don't have this privilege, you can create requisition without having any requisition from your branch. So I just remove this item, then I save. Okay, now I have one invoice, one purchase order. Okay. Okay, now I just created three purchase order for the same supplier. Okay, what is MFLAP 07 and 6 and 5? Okay, now reports, purchase reports and purchase order. I select this supplier, Ahmad. So I will come to know how many document I generated on what date and what are the supplier name, what are the quantity I requested on what price. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 3 purchase order I generated. Okay, now if I click pending report, it will be the same because I didn't do any purchases for the same purchase order. So the order quantity 100, 6, 24, all are the receipts quantity are 0. All the receipts quantities are 0. Okay, now I'm going to take a purchase. You can take a purchase by clicking Control P or from the menu itself. Okay, now I select the local purchase, add, select the supplier first, Ahmad Al Faleha. Okay, go to purchase order. When I click percentage, whatever purchase order you have on the specific supplier, you will come to know that. Okay, now one is the old purchase order, the two means it's very old purchase order. Why it's not showing in the pending purchase order report? Because it was in last year. I selected the date on the purchase order report only this year. Okay, now I select 5, 6, 7, 3 purchase order together. Okay, so I entered the purchase order. If you want to change any price, you can change it from here. Then go to first tab, automatically all the price will come there. Okay, also you can change it the price from here. Okay, then see, now why it's giving you the yellow color? Okay, because my sales purchase rate is a 2 kd, my sales is 150 fields, so I just change 3. Okay, then I'm just changing the quantity, so I'm making this one is 20, this one is 50, this one is full. Okay, then I save. Okay, enter the invoice number TSD01, then save. Okay, so what I just saved, then go to purchase order again, then Ahmad, see, now these are the my purchase order which I generated under the specific supplier. So I just select only the pending reports. I will come to know I have three